Rob Dahm and his 1,000 horsepower Mazda RX-7 4 rotors. So you've taken the normal 2-rotor engine and doubled it up, and wow, yes! Because a rotor engine is such a solid, robust thing to start with. Why not make it more complicated and more highly stressed? I suspect that represents a good 15 to 30 seconds of unrivaled joy, followed by a bang and lots of bits coming through the bonnet. But until that happens, it'll be epic and wonderful. Well done, Rob. And put some doors on it and a bonnet. I don't know where you're going with that, Rob. I'm not sure what it's for.
Before we went across the country picking up 75% of a C8, we had a special guest over at the shop, and it wasn't really planned to be a video or anything like that. It was just neat to have Adam LZ check out the sounds of the turbo 4-rotor. Yes, it runs, there's nothing wrong with it, it sounds perfect. Took him for a little ride, and that's the clip you're about to see. It wasn't really meant to be a video, it was just capturing a fun moment with a friend. That spiraled into the video you're about to watch. And I will tell you right now, it is the most exciting thing to find out that you're a couple hundred horsepower shy of where you should be.
I heard you added more fuel to the two-step?
I did add more fuel to the two-step.
Y'all got earplugs?
He's the one with sensitive ears.
Oh, I am very sensitive.
That's ironic.
Yeah.
Man, I missed it, but that thing just squats. Oh shoot. Not liking that, huh?
Low RPM, you're not even getting to the fun part of the 4-rotor, but you run out of road so quick.
I know.
He added more fuel, so I'm excited for this. I want this to hurt my ears. It's hard to hurt my ears. I want it to hurt my ears. Alright, that kind of hurt my ears.
Shockwave me inside the car. Like, oh yeah, check the oil pressure, check the oil pressure.
It's one of those where you can like feel it in your chest.
Yeah. That was only the 5 PSI of two-step. I had said it, we were getting more and more aggressive with it. I had like 15 pounds of boost, which is 1,000 horsepower.
Wow.
I was like, not necessary.
Can I request you to do the same thing but in rear-wheel drive and take off?
You want to try it? Okay.
Yeah, I do actually.
I'll do it.
I've been wanting to see that.
You've been wanting to see that?
Yeah.
So you can do a rear-wheel drive like launch?
Launch,
Yeah.
but obnoxious.
Yeah, I mean, I support it. I won't say that.
Yeah, it's so funny.
It is not liking that at all.
think we're slipping the clutch or something.
There is oil all over it too. I forgot that part.
Oil all over what?
The clutch.
Yeah, we have.
Oil all over the
I
clutch?
can feel the clutch slipping. It drops.
Getting this thing ready for making some power and dyno tuning, we are going to pull the drivetrain. There's tons of oil on that clutch, and as you guys saw with the Adam LZ video, it definitely caused some issues. So Isaiah's hidden under there. And we're going to pull the transfer case so that way we can get to the transmission, which then lets us get to the clutch. One of the best things about having a tube frame chassis car is using the tube frame as a hoist for the drivetrain. We just use this little ingenious method to get the transfer case off of there and down. And I do want to point out we are on the Harbor Freight Special. So this certainly puts a little bit more trust in the safety of Isaiah. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate everything you're doing right down there. You're risking it. Yeah, that you are the hero. So we're gonna take the transmission all the way off and then clean off that damn clutch.
You ready for this porn that's about to happen?
All the corn. So much oil in there. Oh my god. It's just tons of oil in there.
Nice. And that's just what's stuck in there.
Yeah, that's just what's come down here versus the stuff that's on the clutch.
Yeah, and then I've already cleaned off.
Oh, man. What a mess. Just got it off and wow.
Can you see like the residue off of it?
Yeah. Here is the clutch. These poor discs. They're just slipping like crazy because they're all oiled. Aww. That's how quickly you can wear it down with just oil. This clutch looks almost trash.
Really?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, we'll compare it to the other one we've got.
Oh yeah.
But it looks like it's got like 30,000 miles. There's nothing on it.
Barely any right there.
Wow. It shot all through it.
Sit on my head out.
It's out. There's our spare discs, spare head unit. Old one. Old disc. I checked the thickness of this one compared to a brand new one, and we're off by so little. You can tell it's slightly thinner, but very, very little. I'm gonna do the same thing with these intermediate plates. I'm gonna make sure everything's thick enough to take some material down and throw it back into service. There's no reason to use this clutch yet because we're not even into full competition mode yet. This might as well use one fully first. Paint me like one of your French girls. We're straight up just JB welding that little butt plug that's inside of the E-shaft to the E-shaft. We're done playing. We've tried fixing this 3 times now.
Yeah, this is the third attempt, and the third strike, we're not playing anymore. You're stuck, closed.
I'm shaking.
I felt like Nicolas Cage on like a National Treasure movie.
Yep, you just diffused the bomb. I'm assuming you cleaned up.
Definitely feels a lot like tougher now because
Yeah.
there's JB Wells in there.
Yeah. I'm assuming you cleaned out the threads.
Yes,
Yeah.
a lot. Now see, if we strip it here, we're fine.
Yeah.
I think that's tight, right?
Rotating an engine.
If that leaks, then we'll make another E-shaft.
Okay, I'm quoting you on that one.
I didn't say I'll pay for it.
I am loving the throttle response.
It sounds really good. When you started up, you could kind of feel it in the. Did you feel like a little harder?
Pulsing.
Yes.